Hey, we're going on a hike. Right over there, behind the camera, is supposed to be some Indian petroglyphs.
I think that's what you called it.
We're gonna go find them. We hope.
We hope.
We'll show you when we get there, and maybe some things along the way. But it's only like 2 miles, so
we got this.
Yeah, easily. We're off. This is the area around. Right over here somewhere is where the petroglyphs are at. You can see there ain't a lot of people out here. This is Tonopah, Saddle Mountain BLM, 14-day free camping. And there is not a lot of people here.
Wow, we could have parked right here.
That one, that top one there, I stacked that one.
So look, it's bigger path.
Yeah, Scott stacked the top one over here on this one. And you got to look at this one because this one looks like a female ET. Mama ET. You see the ET figure?
Yeah.
Head, chest, arms, skirt.
She's got a bun.
Scott put that on.
Looks like she's got a hair bun.
This is the road back here. It's not real bad, a little rocky. What are them bighorn sheep supposed to be here?
Every place we've been so far where they're supposed to be, there haven't been.
Right here?
Yeah.
Look at these spots here.
Oh, I like this one too.
Yeah, there's plenty of room here for like 5 rigs. Saddle Mountain. And as you're coming up 10 to get to this place, it does look like a saddle. But as you're up on it, it doesn't really look like a saddle. Unless they're considering that the saddle.
Maybe.
But when you're coming up from it on 10, it looks like a saddle. That's probably how it got got its name from a distance. Then you got right here.
Yeah. There's another spot for campers.
Some nice sights in here. And this road is still
Not too bad.
not bad, rocky. Not bad at all.
Compared to some of the roads we've been on.
Yep. The road down at the entrance is a little noisy, but we don't mind road noise. But back here is quiet. I did not hear that semi that just went by. There's the scenery around. Honey is right behind that rig down there.
Okay, which way? We fork? Or is that a sight?
We fork to the right.
Or is that a sight? Wow.
Because the, you can tell where everybody's been dragging. Right here.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to cross this.
We would drag. This is the worst one though. It's a wash. Another little wash to go through to get back here. No, road's getting a little rockier.
Oh, there's my dude. I like those too.
Yeah. Well, look how green that one is. They're getting ready to bloom too. And still sights back here. Not many though. Not many sights back here at all.
Maybe.
Yeah, yeah. There is campers up along over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see them at nighttime. I think they're tent campers. And then there's a light at the top of this one we think's a tent camper too.
I saw a fire out here last night.
Over that way?
Yeah. Over
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, they're way off in the distance over there. Look at that mountain. And you can get up to the top of that. There's trails that go up there.
Okay. Oh wow.
Well, what?
That little first like hill there,
Yeah,
the rock formation looks like a crumbling castle.
yeah. Well, right there looks like a chimney sticking up out of the rock. See it?
Yeah.
Almost to the top. Pretty neat. That looks almost like a canyon.
Peace.
Peace.
Yes, it's peace. Nice breeze.
Yeah.
Not too hot.
Honey, way down there in the distance.
Yeah, where are you supposed to go?
Keep following me. According to this phone. I don't know, it ain't telling me that yet. I'm just going off of the map. I'm just going off of the map. But we're walking right towards them. Go around this big bush. Huh? Yeah. It's weird seeing grass in the desert. Yeah. What?
That was either you or something moved over there.
That was, I went through that bush. Watch for wildlife through here. Like, watch for slithering wildlife through there. Yeah?
Now you take me through possible snake area. On terrain I can't run on.
It's over there somewhere, if that's right. So we gotta follow this road until it runs out.
Lost directions for one.
What?
It ain't doing directions, you know.
According to this, should be about at the end of this road. Should be. Yeah, that's. They're on a rock, if I remember right. Nice little site right here. Would be good for our rig. A van or a tent. Oh, you got the phone.
Yeah.
Keep going this way.
You've arrived.
We've arrived. Okay, where are they at?
Yeah. Well, it looks like this is the trail.
Honey, way out there. Way out there. What'd you find there?
I don't remember the name. Say the word.
Pictographs or something?
Yeah, I got candy in my mouth.
Here they are. We found them. Isn't that cool?
Itty bitty one.
And a big old fly flying around in the air. And there's some little ones on these other rocks. I don't see any more, do you?
No.
But we found them.
Found a little bit going back that way, but
There's a fly on the camera. You got
there,
off.
here's the main one.
Yep.
gosh, that took a lot of work.
Mission accomplished. This is what it looks like around here. Oh, I think you found more.
Looks like an animal here.
The sun's hitting them mountains out there.
Yeah,
That's honey way out there in the distance. We are 2 miles away from honey. Pretty neat back here. What'd you find, baby?
There's a little bit up on that rock.
Is there?
I think that's it, baby cake.
I believe so, baby.